There are many ways to make money online in this day and age. The only thing that you must do is have the right mindset and plan to execute them. In this video, we will cover some of the most effective ways to generate income, with the goal of helping you get your first $10,000 online over the next year, or even quicker if you have certain skills that can help you can take advantage. Let's get started. The first way to make your first $10,000 online is to become a highly skilled video editor. I assume that you are just getting started in this field and do not know where to start learning. Luckily for you, the internet now is filled with endless opportunities and tutorials that can help you kickstart this journey. There are many different platforms available, such as YouTube, Vimeo, and Adobe Creative Cloud. Each platform has its own advantages and disadvantages, so make sure to do your research before deciding which one works best for you. Once you've created an account, you can start learning the basics of video editing. You can find lots of tutorials and resources online to help you get started. Learning the basics will help you create quality videos that people will be willing to pay for. When it comes to creating videos, keep in mind that quality is always key. Your videos need to be professional looking and well edited to stand out from the crowd. Invest in quality video equipment and learn how to properly use it so that your videos look their best. Finally, when it comes to actually making money from your video editing skills, there are a few options. You can join a video editing platform like Fiverr and charge clients for your services. Alternatively, you can create your own website or blog and use affiliate marketing techniques to monetize your content. With a little bit of effort and dedication, anyone can start making money through video editing. If you have a passion for video editing and want to make some extra income, then this could be the perfect career path for you. The second way to make your first $10,000 online is to become an online sales representative. Being an online sales rep gives you the opportunity to sell products or services remotely while having access to customers from all over the world. To get started as an online sales representative, there are a few steps you can take. The first step is to decide which products or services you want to represent. Depending on your skills and experience, this could be anything from electronic gadgets and home decor to software and subscription services. Once you have a few options in mind, it's time to create a profile on an online sales platform. Platforms such as Amazon, eBay, and Shopify all offer e-commerce capabilities and will provide you with the tools and resources necessary to set up a store. Next, it's time to start marketing your products and services. This is where social media comes in handy. Creating profiles on popular platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram will give you access to a wider audience. You can also use content marketing tactics such as blogging and video tutorials to boost your reach. Finally, it's important to keep track of customer feedback and orders. Many online sales platforms have built-in tracking systems that allow you to monitor customer service, inventory levels, and order history. This helps ensure that customers are satisfied with their purchases and that orders are fulfilled in a timely manner. The third way to make your first $10,000 online is to design and build a website. Building a website can be an intimidating task, especially if you're new to web development. But it doesn't have to be. First, you'll need to decide what type of website you want to build. It could be a blog, an e-commerce store, a directory, or any other type of website. Once you've chosen the type of website you want to create, you'll need to choose a domain name and hosting plan. Next, you'll need to select a content management system, CMS. This is the software you'll use to create and manage your website. Popular options include WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, and Magento. Each of these has its own advantages and disadvantages, so be sure to research each one before deciding. Once your CMS is set up, it's time to start designing your website. Depending on your needs, you may want to use a template or hire a professional web designer. If you decide to go with a template, be sure to pick one that suits your site's purpose and look. After designing your website, it's time to add content. This can include blog posts, images, videos, products, or anything else that your visitors will find useful. Be sure to focus on creating quality content that's relevant to your site's purpose and that helps build trust with your visitors. Finally, you'll need to make sure your website is search engine optimized, SEO. This means making sure that your website is easy for search engines like Google and Bing to crawl and index. It also means making sure that all of your content is properly tagged and keyword optimized. Designing a website can seem overwhelming, but with the right knowledge and resources, you can create a profitable website and start making money online. With some hard work and dedication, you'll be well on your way to earning your first $10,000. The fourth way to make your first $10,000 online is through copywriting. Copywriting involves writing persuasive content that convinces readers to take action. This could be in the form of clicking a link, buying a product, or signing up for a service. The key to success with copywriting is being able to write convincing and compelling content. This means focusing on creating content that grabs the reader's attention, communicates your message clearly, and encourages them to take action. To get started, research your target audience and create a list of topics that would interest them. Next, come up with a compelling headline and opening paragraph that will grab their attention. Then, use persuasive language to convince them of the value of your offer. Be sure to also include a call to action to encourage them to act quickly. Finally, keep track of how well your copywriting efforts are performing by tracking how many people click through or purchase your offer. With enough practice and dedication, you could easily make your first $10,000 online using copywriting. The fifth way to make your first $10,000 online is through drop shipping. Drop shipping is basically finding products online and marketing them through social media platforms such as Facebook, Google Ads, Instagram, or TikTok. And then you will have the third party, which is the supplier deliver the products to the customers when the customers actually order them online. You are a sort of middleman that makes a portion of revenue after the sale is made. Although that sounds amazing, the margins on dropshipping are not the greatest as you have to consider paying for ads, testing products, and many more. However, there is now a platform called TikTok where you can get free traffic, which means that it will cost you nothing from an advertising perspective if you were to create content that is unique and attractive to customers to visit your website. However, dropshipping involves a lot of trial and error, and not everyone can identify a winning product even if they try. So if you decide to focus on this method, do know that it might take a while, and it certainly will be a frustrating process. The sixth way to make your first $10,000 online is to become an affiliate marketer. You can join affiliate programs directly, join an affiliate network, or start your own affiliate website. Each of these methods has its own benefits and challenges. When you join an affiliate program directly, you become a member of a company's partner program. You will receive a unique link to the company's products or services. Every time someone clicks on this link and makes a purchase, you will be rewarded with a commission. This can range from 5% to 25% depending on the company's terms and conditions. When you join an affiliate network, you become part of a larger group of affiliates. You will have access to a large selection of products and services to promote, and will earn commissions when someone purchases something through your links. Finally, you can create your own affiliate website. This allows you to pick the products or services that you want to promote, and create your own unique content to attract customers. This approach requires more work upfront, but has higher potential rewards if done right. Regardless of which method you choose, the key to success in affiliate marketing is finding the right products to promote and creating quality content that draws customers in. With the right knowledge and effort, you can make your first $10,000 online with affiliate marketing. Let me know whom you want to know about next and any suggestions you have in the comments section below. This is my first video. Do drop a like and subscribe to my channel, which would mean the world to me. Till our next video, I hope you have an enjoyable day.